Welcome to Eagles Trading Academy. So let's get started. First, let's take a small overview of what we are going to learn in this course. First of all, let us tell you that we will learn every topic step by step with a proper roadmap. First of all, we will know what is stock market, how does this market work, and why do people invest money in it. After that, we will clear a very common confusion. How are trading and investing different? Which method can be better for you? We will understand this in detail. Then we will talk about how many types of financial market are there mainly, such as forex market, crypto market, stock market, etc. After this, we will know that market participants means who all participate in the market. Along with this, what are the trading instruments? That is, in how many ways can we invest or trade money in stock market, such as equity shares, future option, etc. Then we will talk about a very important topic, trading platforms and tools. Now the question arises, how do we know what is happening in the stock market? So for this, we need some trading tools and platforms. Means those important things with the help of which you can enter the market and understand the live market. We will understand this in detail later. Then we will see the types of trading platforms such as paper trading, algo trading, etc. Along with that, we will also understand how to use the platform, such as setting up charts and indicators. The next topic is the real beginning of becoming a trader, and that is basic of technical analysis. Technical analysis is the method by which we try to understand on the basis of price and volume whether the price of the stock will go up or down in the coming time. Whether the price is going up or down is told by candles, which we are going to learn in candlestick patterns. There are also some special candles in the market such as doji, engulfing, hammer, etc. Then comes the chart pattern. A chart is made by combining many candles, which tells us the trend of the market in a bigger picture, like head and shoulders, double top and bottom, etc. After that, we will talk about support and resistance. If you learn to identify these levels, then the entry and exit timing will be perfect. We are going to understand all these concepts in depth, practically with charts and with live examples. Because without this, becoming a trader is not only difficult, impossible too. After this, we will talk about that thing, which shows the real face of the market, and that is price action. Taking decisions without any indicator, without any formula, just by looking at the price and chart. It is called price action. Most people get trapped in the market, in fake breakouts. But after learning price action, you will understand which is the real breakout, where does smart money enter. Price action is not a strategy. It is a way of thinking. We are going to cover all these things step by step and in detail. Our next topic will be the backbone of every successful trader, and that is trading psychology, which turns you from a beginner to a pro. An emotional trader can never earn profit for a long time. That is why it is necessary. Discipline and patience. Greed versus fear, two enemies of trading. Greed, hurry to earn more profit. Fear, fear of losing money. The solution to this is planning plus risk management, which we are going to learn in detail. Many people think that a good strategy is everything. But the truth is that your thinking is more important than strategy. Risk management is also connected with psychology, which will be our next topic. If you save your money, you will earn lakhs. Now let's talk about the most practical thing, position sizing. Position sizing means how many quantity or shares to buy in one trade. After this, it is important to know stop loss and take profit, like where to exit the trade and where to book profit. After that comes risk-reward ratio, which is the real key to winning. A good trade is one whose risk is less and reward is more. Along with this, it is also important to know managing capital and diversification. Whether you have 10,000 or 10 lakhs, you should not invest all the money in a single stock or trade. So then how to divide it? We will understand all this in detail. After this, we will learn technical indicators and tools. These are such signals which tell you what is the trend of the market. They help us in entry and exit. So let's know some of the most important indicators, which every trader should know. First of all, we will talk about moving averages, like SMA and EMA. After this, we will also see some more important indicators like RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands, etc. We will understand all these in detail later and will also apply them on practical charts. Only then we will be able to understand well. Volume analysis. Volume means the hidden power behind the price. This is also an important topic. Volume tells us whether market move is real or fake. Then we will talk about the most magical tool, Fibonacci. This is very useful for planning entry and exit in trending market. Our next topic will be trading strategies. Now it is the turn of real action. That is, how to apply whatever we will learn in trading. There are many ways of trading, such as intraday, scalping, swing trading, etc. After this, we will talk about trend following strategy. Trend is your friend. You must have heard this line. In this strategy, we trade only in the direction in which the market is already moving. Next will be breakout strategy. When the price breaks a big level, it is called breakout. Many times the market neither goes up nor down, it just keeps moving in a range. This is called range-bound strategy. Along with this, we will talk about option buying and option selling. The buyer needs direction and the seller needs time. We are going to learn all this in detail. To become a successful trader, it is very important to build a trading plan. Just watching charts and catching trends is not enough. You need a clear, strong, and practical trading plan. The stock market is like an ocean. Its waves keep changing every day. In the same way, we should already have a plan of how we have to trade on different day. The more you write your trades, the more you start understanding yourself. Only the habits of a trader can make him a professional and long-term trader. Which are those? We will discuss that further. Trading is not a 30-day race. It is a some-year process. Therefore, we will also know how to maintain it. Finally, there are going to be bonus points for all of you like. Option trading is very popular in the stock market, but very few people know how to read and understand the option chain. We are going to cover this as well. The market does not run only on charts. News and events also have a big impact. We will also see how and where to read it. Some tools and websites can become your real companions in trading. That is why we will provide you important website links, learning resources, etc., which will take you to a higher level in trading. And the most important thing, even after this course, if you want a detailed explanation on any topic, then just tell us. A detailed video will be made on it, and it will be shared with everyone. So this was our complete course content, which can make the journey from a beginner to a pro trader easy. And whatever doubts you may have, they will be completely cleared through live chats, comments, or community. Because the motto of Eagle's Trading Academy is to make you independent and confident trader. If you are ready to start this trading journey, then let's fly trade with Eagle. If you like this video, you can follow us on YouTube as well as Instagram and Telegram, the link of which you will get in the description. Thank you. So see you in the course. Till then, take care.